In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store email. By the end, your store's messages will look more professional and your personal inbox will stay private and organized. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and opening settings. Stay on the store details page. This is the hub for your business contact information, the place where Shopify pulls the email addresses it uses for customer communications and for your own account notices. Keeping this page accurate helps your brand look polished and ensures messages go to the right place. Next, focus on the sender email. This one matters most for your customers. It's the address that appears on order confirmations, shipping updates, and other store emails. Change it to a domain-based address, like info@yourdomain.com or support@yourdomain.com. Using your own domain signals credibility, reduces confusion for customers, and helps maintain a consistent brand voice. If you have multiple team members, choosing a shared inbox, like support@ can make it easier to track replies and keep response times fast. Now look at the store email at the top. This is for you and your team. Shopify uses it to send bills, security alerts, and account updates. You can keep this as your personal email if you prefer, but switching to a dedicated business inbox can make bookkeeping and admin tasks cleaner. It also keeps business notices out of your personal threads, which is especially helpful as your store grows. After you've entered the addresses you want, click Save in the top right corner. Shopify will immediately send a verification message to any new sender address you added. Head to that inbox and click the verification link to finalize the change. If you don't see it, check spam or promotions. Until you verify, Shopify may continue to use your previous sender address, so completing that step is essential for your updates to take effect. A quick note on expectations: this change only affects where emails come from and where you receive admin notices. It doesn't change your Shopify login or your store's domain. If you ever need to adjust these emails later, return to the same store details page and update them again. That's it. Simple and impactful. A professional sender address builds trust, improves clarity for your customers, and keeps your operations tidy behind the scenes. Hit save, verify the link, and you're done. Professional email, professional brand. Your store is now officially upgraded.